Hello, people. This is a bear in the woods of Australia. This is a mommy bear. It's a rather large bear. You have to be very quiet when it's sleeping. The mommy bears are very dangerous, especially about their cubs. She's making a very atrocious sound. This is a mommy bear. This is a cool bear. Tell about the eyelashes and the face mask that it has. The face mask here, that's the face mask that the mommy bear has. And the thickness of the eyebrows, I think that's Kodak bear. Hello, mommy bear. She's hibernating. Her jaws are stuffed with acorns. And these meat sacks are stuffed with chicken breasts for the winter. See? Very tender chicken.